There we go. So that is how you make an intro to a vlog. Here's the setup I was using. That's my GoPro taped to the lens of the T4i. I used it as a viewfinder. Yeah, it's finished. Let's see how that looks. Hey guys, so I didn't really do much today. Went to the pool, helped Michelle rent a scooter, went and bought some cider. So I'm going to show you some videos from my trip to Pai, north of Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. I went up there in March with Bindi, and then I went there again most recently at the end of September. No, when was it? October, in the middle of October. Was a couple weeks ago. I was up there with Steven. From Chiang Mai to Pai, it's roughly 132 kilometers, and in that 132 kilometers, there's roughly 762 curves in the road. For YouTube?
Oh, for YouTube?
Yeah, you can say hi to my family.
Hi.
What is your name?
Guzday.
Guzday?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he works in the field behind my house.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Alright, have a good night.
Yeah.
So here's some footage from that trip in northern Thailand.
I'm gonna take my road, make my road. I'm gonna walk on by all night long. I'm looking for a home, for a home. I'm gonna march till down on me. Walk, walk high, see go by. Walk, walk by, suddenly I walk, walk high, secrets and lies. Walk, walk till the day I die. I'm gonna change my tone, change my tone. I'm gonna sing it out on my own. I'm gonna see you bone, see you bone. I'm gonna jump right into the unknown. Walk, walk high, see the goodbye. Walk, walk by, suddenly I walk, walk high, breathing and I walk, walk till the day I die. Walk, walk high, see the goodbye. Walk, walk by, suddenly I walk, walk high, breathing and I walk, walk till the day I die. Where's my place? I'm gonna go and find somewhere else. Where's the grace? Where's the grace? Did I let it slip away? Where's my faith? My faith? Where's my faith? Where's my faith? Where's my faith? Don't wear, baby, don't wear. I'm gonna take you away. I'm gonna take it away. Gonna take it away.
I'm new to the GoPro, so I'm just making sure that it's recording. This is me, and this is Cameron, and we are currently at a place called Green. As you can tell, all of the greenery. Also, I'll just quickly show you the party animal duck down there. Maybe you can see him. He has like a mohawk mullet thingy on his head, which makes him very, very cute. Also, we stopped at this place for lunch, and it was very, very fun. We liked it a lot. Cameron is driving a Honda Grom, and I am driving a small scooter, which is very nice.
110cc.
100cc.
110.
110cc. and I wanted to get a nicer, bigger bike, but we got in an accident the other day, and so I have some wounds. You can see my plasma leaking through there.
Did my laundry in Pi, and they stole my shorts and my belt that I've had since junior high. I had other than my sewing trunks.
Yeah,
And I really like those shorts.
it'll be okay. So let's talk about Pi. What's Pi like?
Well, I got really drunk and I
Yep.
puked in the toilet, so that was fun.
And he woke me up in the middle of the night, and I was very, very unhappy with him. But it's okay, I forgive him and love him. But the nature of Pi is very laid back. It's much more affordable than, say, like the south or the islands of Thailand. The people are super easygoing. It's pretty much just a bunch of hippies, lots of artists, lots of awesome, cool places to eat. We stayed at Villa de Pai, which is like little bamboo hut bungalows right on the river. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. That's art. Let's show them the art. That was very embarrassing. I'm still learning how to use this. So, yeah. Anything else that you want to share about Pi or the ride? Go slow. There's
Or
no
go fast.
rush. For new drivers, just take it easy. There's no hurry. You don't have to feel embarrassed if you go the speed that I do. And you also don't have to feel pressure to show off and do catwalks all along the way like him. Okay, so that's our story about Pi. Okay, we're gonna eat our food now. So, love you so much. Bye!